Hi everyone, my name is Ruth and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about fashion and do-it-yourself projects such as recycling, upcycling, reusing, repurposing. So if you are into this type of content, please don't be shy and click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a do-it-yourself sneakers. Yes, I'm going to be designing my new sneakers. Why? I was browsing on Instagram and I saw an ad from a very famous brand, and the ad was about personalizing their sneakers. So I checked the details, I checked their website, and I was shocked that the sneakers was very expensive for me. So I thought to myself, if you can't afford it, why not do it yourself? So that's the reason why I'm doing this project today, because of that ad. So for this project, I'm going to be showing you the materials that I'm going to be using to personalize my sneakers. So the first material and the most important material is a sneakers. White sneakers. You can use any color that you want, but I'm gonna be using a sneakers. And hey, it's not necessary for you to use a new sneakers, but in my case, in all honesty, I don't own a pair of sneakers. The one that I'm using right now is a hand-me-down pieces from my sisters. Well, it's not like that I don't have money to buy one, but you can say that I am more of a stilettos type of girl rather than a rubber shoes girl. If you're gonna put percentage on my shoes, it's like 80% stilettos, platforms, dagger shoes, wedges, and the 20% are mix of slippers, doll shoes, the 2 pieces sneakers that was given by my sister, and 1 running shoes that it just shows that I am not really an athletic type. So the next materials that I have here is a paint and paint brushes, but I am not sure if I can still use this because I have this for a long time. I bought it for like a DIY project in the past, but I end up not using it. So let me see. The next one is, I have several different types of markers, and I already, because I am not sure if I can use all of this, like this one, especially this one. Especially this one, it doesn't have any like label or instruction what's the use for. So what I did is, I already tested it by writing like each of the markers on a paper, and then I soaked this paper in water and none of it smeared, so I think I'm safe to use them. And I have like some of Uma's crystal collections. I'm gonna try and look for the perfect color for my shoes. Then I have the E6000 for my adhesive, and I have like a backup adhesive here because I am not sure if this will work with some of the materials that I'm going to be using for personalizing my rubber shoes. So the next, or the alternative adhesive that I have here is epoxy adhesive, but I still need to like do some mixture. Well, I've been using E6000 for my past projects and it never failed me, and I'm just hoping that it will never fail me as well this time around. Then So what I have here inside this old jewelry box are my collections, some of my collections for my arts and crafts, like this metal patch. It's a Victorian metal patch, and I have here like the brooch type. It's a ladybug brooch, and then I have like a stick-on type patch, and this one is a fabric applique made of lace and Swarovski crystals. Out of this collection, the only thing that I purchased are this Victorian, then the ladybug, then some of the, I don't know if it's a honeybee or some insects, but this is the one. I don't know if you can see it. Then I have some of my old jewelries, like it's a plastic jewelry and old earrings. I have old plastic earrings like this one as well, and this is a metal earrings, and this one, it's a broken earrings as well. Isn't it beautiful? The thing is, if you're customizing stuff for yourself, you don't need to spend money for accessories. All you need to do is be creative and be resourceful. Showed you all the materials that I'm gonna be using for personalizing my rubber shoes, it's time to get the work started. Now I have my shoes here, and because it's new, I don't need to prepare it or to clean it because it's a brand new, it's clean already. And because I know what I am going to use already, so I need to prepare it. Using E6000. On my crystals and metal accessories. And now I'm gonna write something. Conquer the world. It's from a famous quotation of Marilyn Monroe that says, "Give a girl the right shoes and she can conquer the world." That's why I wrote "Conquer the World." Then the last thing I'm gonna write on this spot. So that wraps up my do-it-yourself sneakers personalization project, and I hope that this project somehow inspires you to do something like this and to be creative. And if you like this video or this type of project, please show me some love and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button and the bell button so that you will not miss any of my DIY projects in the future. So for now, I'm going to leave you with the message: be safe, God bless you, and bye! See you on my next video!